A lot of things has been said against this young man, and I laugh over many things. Some said the time he had issues and he was in detention that they were the ones who caused Senator Ifeanyi Ubah, and they make certain statements and utterances over Jpac. He said this, he said that. But to my conscience and to my mind, I know that all of these things never happened. I, Governor Eziokwu, Prince Madabuchenyi, on that very evening, Jpac called me and told me what happened. That he's been detained at the police custody. I left what I was doing that same night. The next day morning, I flew down to Lagos. I and my brother, Emeka by name. We landed Lagos and we proceeded to Zone 2 Police Command. We went straight to the office of the AIG. Did Jpac call anybody when his phone was still in custody? Jpac only called at that same point when they arrested him. He was not detained. He was only kept by the counter till the next day morning. And upon my arrival, his phones were handed over to me. He signed that his phone should be given to me. I held that phone. Nobody called in respect of that matter, except when Jpac said I should come and go and get him water to drink. I got him water and he instructed me, gave the password to his phone that I should open it. On this very wedding day also, remember people that were there, it is between I and Cardinal that had the password to his phone also. He said open it and respond to calls. I was the person who answered the call of Senator Ifeanyi Ubah. I was the one who called him, who placed a call and told him this is what is going on. And Oga said, hold on. It was Oga, Senator Ifeanyi Ubah, who now called the AIG. And I was given access to the office of the AIG, where we now discussed his bail. From which other phone we are then able to speak to Senator, those who claimed that they spoke to him, until he was released. Go and verify, go and check. I was the one who signed the bail bond. If monies were paid, I was the one who paid. But I'm surprised people are now talking. To me, I want to use this opportunity to tell people, if you say this person is your friend, stand by him. They may have errors, they may have faults, but still see the need to accommodate them as your brothers. People may say a lot, people that are far, but I can assure you with everything, Jpac is not what they think. The only fault upon this young man is that, I can say it over and over again, he talks when it is not necessary. And errors will be corrected.